Hey everyone, Jay here with LMR.com. In today's episode, we'll be going over the installation steps for 5.0 Resto's manual seat track assembly, covering all 1979 to 1998 Mustangs. Because of how old the factory Mustang seat tracks are, they are known for failing. Over time, dirt and debris build up in the tracks, causing them to bind up and eventually seize or break. Driving your Mustang with a misadjusted seat can be dangerous if you cannot properly reach your pedals or see out of the mirrors. 5.0 Resto has stepped up yet again with a solution-based fix for your Mustang. They will feature a rugged fabricated steel frame and heavy-duty double locking sliders. This replacement track will allow you to eliminate all of the factory functions of either a power or manual seat track that has failed and replace it with a functioning manual application. 5.0 Resto designed this track to work on any of your 1979 to 98 factory seats. First, let's start off with removing your seat from the vehicle and place it on a clean work surface. Check out the removal links of both the 79 to 93 and the 94 to 04 seats in the description below to show you how this is done. To begin, for you guys needing to know how to remove your factory seat tracks from the seat, we will show you what's all involved. Recline the seat back forward and place the seat on its back to gain access to the track assembly. Now, slide the seat track all the way down. Remove the tension spring from the seat track to the seat frame. Remove the seat track bolt starting with the top right, then the top left. Next, you'll move your seat track up and remove the bottom left and then the bottom right seat track bolts. If you need to know how to remove your power seat track assembly, check out the link in the description below. Now let's move on to the installation of your 5.0 Resto seat track. Start by lifting the seat track handle up and move the slide backwards to allow you to install your factory 10mm bolts into the front two holes. Loosely thread these into place. Lift up on the slider bar and move the seat track forward. Then you will align both the rear bolt holes and loosely thread the two 10mm bolts in place. Once this is all aligned, fully tighten all of the bolts holding the track to the seat. Slide the seat track forward and backwards a few times to make sure everything is working properly. Now you can reinstall your seat back in your Mustang. Well everyone, 5.0 Resto has stepped up yet again to provide a solution-based resolution for a known problem. Since these factory seat tracks are prone to failure, 5.0 Resto has provided you with a modular and cost-effective solution over a factory seat track replacement. Install time should roughly take you about an hour with basic hand tools. If you like what you've seen here today, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and make sure that you're subscribed to our channel. Also, make sure to turn on notifications to make sure you're up to date with any new products that we roll out like this one. Guys, as you already know, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.